Tesla powered Bugeye. Can't do that in the gas Bugeye. Oh yeah. So 38 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour. And you get on the gas with this electric and it's just wow. You don't get that in a gas powered Bugeye. I don't care unless you have a V8 in it. But any of the 4-cylinder versions, you just don't have that mid-range boost of torque. And that's a big part of the fun of this electric conversion. Over here you have the red bar on regen, and when I get on the gas, there's how much draw. So it's measuring, it's telling you in real time whether it's going in or coming out. And you can come to a stop with no brake pedal, and then when you get to a slow enough speed, it coasts. It sort of clicks out. You're back to freewheeling. You can hear the tires chirping. It's probably just the right amount. Any more chirping, we're at the risk of damaging the drive line, but this is great. For the platform, this is super quick. I'm lurching forward into this Cadillac, and you really don't get that with the gas-powered alternative. No exhaust note, but it's fun, and hopefully for most people that makes it really great. And also it doesn't leak oil and should be a lot more reliable than any classic British car of the era. You know, this electric motor is basically bulletproof. You can induce oversteer anytime, which you can't do in a 948 Bugeye, and not all 1275 Bugeyes will do that either. So this is what full looks like, and as the juice gets used up, this green bar will move back down towards empty. This voltmeter is telling us that our low voltage system is getting replenished. It's at 14 volts, which is great. So the high voltage system is charging the low voltage side, which is powering our lights and turn signals. And we'll do a 0 to 60 run here. I'll just pull over. I had to back off. That's gonna ruin it. I don't want to launch this thing. I had to back off. It's too quick. That's not gonna be particularly good 0 to 60.